What's up? What's up? Going fast. Yeah, we're about to do this thing. I'm excited today because I gotta share with y'all another great site to get some money. Alright? This site here is called Dollar Dig. You shop online, plus you get paid for shopping. Just like that. Every time you purchase from the store, you get cash back. Yep. I got $2.50 just for joining, and you get $2.50 every time you refer somebody. So that's some quick money right there, guys. I think this site is cool. It's my first time finding it. So if you go to like eBay or something, you can get like 0.5 cash back. You go to a lot of these different stores, but here's how it works. Earn cash back on your online shopping with our site. Here's how. Sign up, find your favorite stores and click on their link. Shop as you normally would, earn great cash back. So let's say you want to buy a PlayStation 4, you find that site to buy it from a pretty good price. Instead of buying it directly through the site, you come to Dollar Dig first, look for that merchant, see what percentage of cash back you can get. Click the link to go to that merchant site and buy the item from them normally would. Enter your information, click on our link, and the tracking code associated with your purchase. The merchant still fulfills your order like normal. Also remember that tax and shipping are not eligible for cash back. Right after clicking our link, please don't click any other link random from another site. Right? So once you accumulate the minimum withdrawal amount, $25, request your money via PayPal, dollar, check. That's for USA only. But this site here is actually only for United States and Canada. Alright? Or you can get an Amazon gift card. Now, please note that PayPal payments made to non-US addresses will be assessed to $2.99 through $4.99 fee for withdrawals. Fees determined by and paid to PayPal and deducted from your requested withdrawal amount. So I'm just super excited, guys. I like to show y'all some stuff that's free. Like, this is awesome. So if you go to my balance and history, you can see I just joined. I got $2.50 available. Confirm. If you go over here, you click refer a friend, and then you have your unique link right here. Sign up, join, confirm your email, good to go. Site here is called Dollar Dig, so check it out. It's helping y'all find another way to make money online. As usual, thanks for watching. I hope this provided some insight on how you can make $2.50 over and over again. And hope this was of some value to you. And till next time, thanks for watching. Peace out. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video.